This is 100 milliliter of essential oil in cinnamon bark, and it smells fantastic. You can use this, just add a few drops in your shampoo, in your massage oil, or your diffuser too. You can even use it for lotion. And this just smells fantastic. I absolutely love the smell. And you get 100 milliliter size, as well as a dropper, and also a travel dropper too. So perfect. Here's a close-up of what the bottle looks like. Here's a close-up of the dropper, and here's the mini travel size dropper that you also get. Here is another dropper attachment that you put inside the main dropper, so that way you can just squeeze it out from the dropper if you like. Now this is in cinnamon bark, but they have other flavors as well. And what I like to use this for is my humidifier. And so I'm gonna open this up, and then we're going to, either you can put the cap back on, or you can twist this dropper in it by itself. So here it is. And if you notice, it has an amber bottle, and that is so the UV and the sunlight doesn't go inside. And you just drop it in just like this, 3 to 5 drops, and you're good to go. So now let me close this up. And it's really nice because they also give you a travel size container too. And let me turn this on, and I can smell it already. Smells so good and so relaxing too. I absolutely love the cinnamon bark. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.